UFBU IBA meeting reviews, ex gratia for pensioners. A meeting between the United Forum of Bank Unions and the Indian Banks Association reviewed issues related to ex gratia payments for pensioners, with further discussions expected in the coming period. A recent update has been issued by the United Forum of Bank Unions regarding key employee demands in the banking sector. The union has reiterated two primary issues: the implementation of a 5-day banking week and concerns related to the performance-linked incentive, or PLI, framework. According to the circular, union representatives have expressed that the current PLI structure may lead to disparities among employees and requires further review through discussions. As part of ongoing agitation, employees have been advised to wear black badges, adhere strictly to working hours, and limit participation in activities beyond official duties. The UFBU has indicated that a follow-up meeting will be held by the end of April to review the situation to decide other programs like demonstrations on all working Saturdays, dharna, etc., and also to decide strike actions in the month of May and June 2026. AIUBEF urges faster hiring process for IBPS allotted candidates in Union Bank. The All India Union Bank Employees Federation has raised concerns over delays in onboarding IBPS allotted candidates in Union Bank of India. The union has urged management to expedite the hiring process, highlighting operational challenges due to staff shortages and the impact on branch-level functioning. Alleged fraud at Canara Bank Nokha branch raises governance concerns. An alleged fraud at Canara Bank's Nokha branch has brought governance and accountability issues into focus. Reports indicate lapses in internal controls, raising questions about monitoring mechanisms and the effectiveness of oversight systems within the bank. Bank of India reports growth in financial year 2026 performance across key segments. Bank of India reported strong growth across key financial parameters in financial year 2025 to 2026. Both deposits and advances recorded an increase of over 1 lakh crore rupees for the first time, contributing to a significant expansion in overall business and marking a key milestone in the bank's performance.
If you care about the future of India's banking sector, this channel is for you. We bring issues that matter to bankers, policies, work pressures, transfer issues often ignored. To support independent banking journalism and get exclusive insights, join our channel membership. Your support helps us keep raising the voice of bankers. Join the Kanal community today.
Private versus PSU banks. NPA comparison highlights performance gap. A comparison of NPAs between private and public sector banks in financial year 2026 has highlighted differences in asset quality. While some PSU banks showed improvement, private banks continue to maintain relatively lower NPA levels, sparking discussions on operational efficiency and risk management practices. PNB Foundation Day announcement includes employee benefits. Punjab National Bank has announced distribution of sweets, dry fruits, and chocolate worth 2,000 rupees to employees as part of its Foundation Day celebrations, recognizing staff contributions. Bank of Baroda Officers Union seeks transparency in promotion process. The Akhil Bhartiya Bank of Baroda Officers Sanghathan has sought disclosure of marks in the promotion process, raising concerns over transparency and fairness in internal assessments. SBI staff deployment for Vadodara elections challenged by union. The United Forum of We Bankers has raised objections to the deployment of SBI staff for election-related duties in Vadodara, citing concerns over workload and operational disruption. Alleged assault and transfers reported at Union Bank of India. Reports of an alleged assault incident followed by transfers at Union Bank of India have surfaced, raising concerns about workplace environment and administrative handling of internal disputes. PIB flags fake investment schemes and fraud messages. The Press Information Bureau has issued alerts regarding fake investment schemes, fraudulent letters, and misleading claims related to SBI YONO updates, cautioning the public against cyber fraud. Punjab and Sindh Bank manager death probe linked to harassment claims. Punjab and Sindh Bank has come under scrutiny following the death of a manager, with investigations reportedly examining links to alleged workplace harassment, adding a serious dimension to employee welfare concerns. RBI's anti-digital fraud measures face criticism. New measures introduced by the Reserve Bank of India to curb digital fraud have faced criticism over their effectiveness, with experts questioning implementation challenges and practical impact. SBI hiring of retired officers raises employment concerns. An SBI notification regarding the hiring of retired officers has raised questions among employees and unions about long-term employment strategies and opportunities for new recruits. The Bank Employees Federation of India protests against new labour codes, calls for nationwide action. The Bank Employees Federation of India has opposed the new labour codes, organising protests and calling for wider action, citing concerns over workers' rights and employment conditions. Punjab Grameen Bank introduces staff furniture facility. Punjab Grameen Bank has introduced a staff furniture and fixture facility for officers in scale 3 to 5, effective from 1st April 2026. The scheme allows eligible officers to purchase household furniture and appliances within defined limits: 1 lakh rupees for scale 3, 1.5 lakh rupees for scale 4, and 2 lakh rupees for scale 5. RBI announces agitation from 1st May over pending issues. The All India Regional Rural Bank Employees Association has announced plans for agitation starting 1st May 2026, highlighting unresolved staff-related concerns despite ongoing representations. Amalgamation impact RRB business growth in financial year 2026. Regional rural banks recorded strong growth in financial year 2026, with total business crossing 13.65 lakh crore rupees, marking a significant milestone for the sector. At the same time, employees have raised concerns regarding the operational impact of amalgamation, including structural and staffing challenges. However, there's also an expectation that consolidation may lead to improved efficiency and long-term gains for the sector. UPGB launches Demat and trading services via BOB Caps tie-up. Uttar Pradesh Grameen Bank has launched Demat and trading services through a tie-up with BOB Capital Markets, expanding its financial product offerings and digital capabilities.